I would just like to end with Dr. Coleman. He wrote the book called The Committee of 300. He is former MI6. And it's very interesting what he says in his book. He started to investigate the British government. And why he started to investigate the British government is because he saw that all the drugs that were being brought into the country were brought into the country by the British government. And he said the men over there in Afghanistan, he said they are guarding the poppy fields, the heroin poppy fields, and our government is bringing in the drugs. He said there's a shadow government that runs our governments. It's not your elected officials. And he mentions who the shadow government is. This is a huge book, 480 pages, and I'd like to read the very end of it, what he says these people are intending to do. Now these people, he said, mostly are the bankers against whom the American Revolution was originally fought. And these bankers, he said, funnel all these drug monies through their banks, and they run the government. And here is their plans for your future. A one-world fascist dictatorship, which they call the New World Order. Destruction of national identity and pride, and stamp out individuality in order to create the masses. Elimination of Christianity, and to be replaced with a new age religion, which they are the ones that have created this new age. Control people through mind control methods, eliminate property rights, establish a system of terror and fear, deindustrialize the United States and Europe and then the world, depopulate the world through a worldwide eugenics program of war, disease, pandemics, etc. Keep people from deciding their own destinies by creating crisis after crisis, then apathy is the result on a large scale. Cause a collapse of the world's economy in order to engender political chaos. Keep people and countries in debt that cannot be repaid. Take control of foreign and domestic policies of the United States. Give full support to supranational institutions such as the United Nations, the International Monetary Fund, and the World Court. Penetrate and subvert all world governments and destroy sovereignty and integrity of the nations. Under the guise of spreading democracy and as a bulwark against terrorism, organize worldwide terrorist apparatus and negotiate with lawful governments for their surrender wherever terrorist activities take place, by allowing the U.S. to establish permanent military bases in those nations which will be carried out under the banner of bringing democracy. Promote drugs and pornography to destroy civilization. Subvert new inventions that could help mankind. Control the education in America with the intent and purpose of utterly and completely destroying it through gradual change in the curricula and teaching methods. Establish socialism in order to rob people of their wealth, nullify the federal constitution and states' rights, and in the end, control and depopulate most of the world.